Mac OS, Windows OS, and Linux OS. Which OS is better in 2026? So to start with Mac OS, it is Apple's desktop operating system designed to run exclusively on the Mac hardware. So for the pros, it offers excellent hardware-software integrations. It is a support for creative workflows. It has a long-term support for softwares, and it also offers strong ecosystem benefits. The cons is though, it is locked to the Apple hardware. It has a closed ecosystem, and some software and gaming hardware are still less supported in and than Windows Linux software offers. So now we have Windows OS. It is Microsoft's desktop operating system running on the vast majority of PCs worldwide. It supports a wide variety of softwares and hardwares. So for the pros, it offers broad compatibility and huge ecosystem, a versatile which can run to any wide range of hardwares, and a strong support for legacy softwares. For the cons though, it has more vulnerability for malware and virus attacks in relative terms. It also has some performance and efficiency which can lag compared to optimized hardwares like Apple Silicon or lightweight Linux setups. And it has the hardware fragmentations, which also has licensing and some costs. Now, lastly, we have is Linux. Linux is an open source operating system, kernel, and ecosystem used widely in development, servers, computing hobbyist enthusiast communities, and increasingly on this desktop. So for the pros, it is free and open source. There's no cost for licensing. It is also highly customizable. It offers strong for development, programming and servers, container workflow works, and its excellent performance on older or limited hardware. The cons is though, software has some compatibility issues, and it's also mainly for just casual users. It has some hardware support which may be limited, and although gaming is supported and improved, it still lacks behind the paywall and the Windows OS. So overall, if you prioritize ease of use, strong creative software support, then Mac OS is the best fit. But if you prioritize software and hardware compatibility, broad support for games and peripherals, and usually general tasks, then Windows OS is the best choice. But if you prioritize budget, freedom customizations, and using older hardware, then Linux is the last option. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.